the sixth part of our chat application tutorial, which is last but not the least, which is CSS, style.css, and we'll style our whole chat application, which currently looks like this. So we will add the designs, we'll add CSS coding inside, and let's start. Firstly, we'll add margin. Basically, we are not adding this, we'll remove the default margin and padding from all the elements here, nothing else. Padding 0, so basically removing default margin. Yep. Moving forward to the body, we'll give a nice style for body as well. Margin will set to 20px. Auto. Font family will select Lato. Font weight. As we're using the light font weight, so we'll go for 300. We'll go for the light gray color, which will be somewhere around this. No. Okay, we can simply write the color code F8, F9, FA. Okay, so sorry. So we are styling the body of the page right here. Here we have added top and bottom margin automatically in the margin, and we'll move forward with form. Giving a padding of 15px and 25px. Display. We'll go for the flex. Going to gap. justify content. Center. Okay, so here we're styling for the form used in the chat input. So this will be the padding which is added around the form content display. You will be using Flexbox layout, and a gap we are giving a space between elements inside the form, and center elements horizontally, which is justify content center. Moving forward, form label, font size will be selecting 1.5. Ariam font weight will be taking bold. Okay, so we have taken the large font size here, and writing here styling for the labels inside for. Okay, moving on, styling for the input fields. Input font family will be selecting again. Later with sans serif. Let's style the link, color. I'll be choosing color somewhere which is blue. Text decoration, not remove underline. Over. And now we'll move forward to the wrapper. Also login form. Login form, adding margin 0 auto, padding bottom 25 px. So this will be the padding at the bottom. background will be taking some light background. Right as usual. Width of 600 pixels and max width 100%. Border will be 2px and solid, which will be again light. Border radius will be 4 pixels, which will be rounded corners to be precise. I'll give some additional styles for just login form. Which is padding top will be 18 pixels. Text line will be center. Let me just write, otherwise it will be confusing. And this will be again login form, but this will be the styling for what is inside the login form. Oops. Padding 15 px and 25 px. It will be slightly larger. And it will be making it bold. Done here with the text inside the login form, but yep, forgot to comment here. Style. Main wrapper, login form. Let's proceed. We'll go for the text box area. Starting from text align, we'll be keeping it left. Margin 0 auto with 25 pixels. So it will be center horizontally, and it's also adding the bottom margin. This will be the inner padding. Sorry. We'll again take some light background. Height will be keeping 30 px. Width 530 px. Solid with some light gray color again. Overflow, which is usually used for the scroller, which we have added, so it will add the scroll when content overflows. I'll just write here. Border radius will be keeping 4px, which will again, it will be the rounded corner one. Again the same light color, and it will be a slightly thicker border as we are adding solid there, like slightly thicker than the usual ones. Coming on to user MSG. Flex. Solid again, it will be a blue border. Four px and 8px space inside the input box. This is. I'll just add the comment. Comment the part here. This will be styling for chat display area and of the user MSG. Styling for input text area for chat messages. Moving forward with name. It will be the style for name input field on the login. This will be not much, it's really small. 4px border will keep 1px solid. adding 2px and 8px. Let's comment it down. Adding for name input field on. Okay. Okay, we'll be moving forward for the send and enter buttons that we have added, which is submit MSG and enter. Submit MSG and sorry, forgot to add comma. And enter, so which is background. Oops. We'll be adding blue background as we have used before as well. Border to be solid. Then again we'll be taking a darker border. Blue darker border. Color will be white. I mean the text color will be white. Padding here will be 4px, 10px. Font weight, bold. Border radius 4px. Styling for send and enter buttons. So we'll be also create a bit style or just a font color maybe. Yep, font color maybe for our error messages which is shown, so it will be dot error. Color see, will be giving it red color. Style for the top menu area after login, which is menu. Display will be flex. Moving forward with the welcome text we will be seeing. So for example, if X user is logging in, so it will show welcome, comma X. So let's proceed to style that as well. Color will be taking blue text as usual. with bold. We'll be moving forward to the exit button that we have. We'll be adding color white, background, we'll be taking blue background itself. Border radius 4px. Font weight will be bold. And for the exit button, we'll be continuing with styling for message element span info, which is we'll just style for message element before that, and it will be style for each chat message line. Let's continue .msgln, which we have already mentioned before, and index.php. We'll just give a margin. There is the bottom margin given. Okay, so for user joined, for example, if I'm logging out and I'm logging in, so it shows that the user has joined. So we will be styling that as well. Color will be given light blue. For the messages, like user just joined. Okay, we'll be styling timestamps in the messages. As we have shown, time zone. We'll be taking red color. Vertical line will be given none, so no vertical alignment. So will be for styling for the time stamping message. Coming on to the username, which is the person who is logging in, will be styling that as well. And in this itself will be styling in that the username enters and username exits as well. I hope that I am making sense for you guys. We'll be starting with font where we'll be adding bold background, getting 6 blue as well. Color will be taking white, firing off 2px and 4px. Font size 90%. For px. Oops, forgot to add this here. Margin will be giving 0, 5px 0 and 0, the right margin only. So this will be style for username and username that exists. Exit. Left. We'll be starting further usernames in chat. We'll be taking lighter blue shade. Okay, so let's move forward and check what we have and what mistakes we did. Oops, I guess we did a lot of mistakes there. We should check it. Chart box, first of all, the height we made quite small. Oh yes, perfect. Let's try. I think I put the color here. let's check the chat. We need to fix something about this. Again, if I exit, okay, this is the login page we have, and if we don't enter it, just please enter the name here. If we enter, it shows user chat has left. It does shows the message with the Latvian time here, and I think we need to check the index HTML code. Yep, perfect, guys. If we exit, we write Kathan has entered. Hello, and everything it shows. So guys, this CSS styles includes it simply styles the chat interface, which also includes login form, chat display area, message input fields, buttons. It also ensures the clean responsive layout with clear spacing, colors, and user-friendly experience. I've used the light and less attractive colors so that it will be easy for you guys to understand the whole design concept and everything. And also the design which is used is Flexbox for alignment and customizes element like inputs and system messages. So yes, this is our whole chat, and for example, if we remove the log file from here, then it will automatically clear everything. So yes, so for example, if I write Kathan and the log file is created, let's open this log file. So we can just open a log file and Visual Studio Code, and you can see everything that Kathan, I just wrote Kathan there, my name, and it directly saves in log.html. And if we close here, and if we, for example, remove the file, then you will be seeing that everything is gone from here. So yeah, thank you guys. This was the tutorial for building a simple chat application in PHP using JavaScript, Ajax, and the following things. Thank you so much for watching me. Thank you so much for giving your time. You can of course change the CSS styles. You can change something in chat application as you want, as you wish, as it would be easy for you. And of course, if you have any questions, you have my email ID, my Git is connected. You can contact me anywhere you want. You can also comment down there and I'll reply for sure.